Hi, I'm Steve, and today we're going to have some explosive science fun with the exploding bag experiment. Now what this experiment's going to demonstrate is how gas, like carbon dioxide, expands. And to properly show you this experiment, you're going to need a few ingredients. First, you're going to need a plastic sandwich bag, some tissue paper or paper towel, 1 cup of vinegar, some tape, baking soda and a measuring spoon, and just for fun, some food coloring. First, you're going to take your tissue paper or paper towel, open it up into a nice flat area, then take your baking soda and measuring spoon and measure out 2 full tablespoons of baking soda and pour it onto the tissue paper right in the center, just like that. Now once you have the baking soda in place, just fold over the remaining ends of the tissue paper or paper towel into a nice square packet. Take some of your tape and tape it all together so the packet is in place. Just like that. The next step, you take your vinegar and your plastic bag. Open the bag and pour all of the vinegar inside. Choose any color that you like the best. Go ahead and just pour it into the packet for some extra fun. Mix it all up until it's one solid color, and you're ready for the next step. Take your baking soda packet and be very careful as you put it inside the bag, making sure not to touch the vinegar. Now this part you may need some help from either a friend or a parent, maybe even your teacher, but make sure that you hold onto the packet steadily as you seal the bag completely up. Okay, now that we've got our bag all set, let's go outside and see what happens.
All right, here we are outside. We've got our exploding bag experiment and we've got our safety goggles on. So let's give it a shot, see what happens. Whoa! And there you go, that's the exploding bag experiment. Hopefully yours was just as explosively fun as that. And be sure to keep practicing that safe science fun, and I'll see you next time.